Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude back with another figure review. Today we'll be taking a look at the new Star Wars The Clone Wars Kenner Captain Rex figure. Usually it's not something I do reviews on, but recently, of course, I've been getting into collecting Star Wars figures as I'm a huge fan of the Clone Wars, and now they're creating like these really cool Clone Wars Mattel scale figures, which is really nice. And I've been wanting to get them for a while, but of course secondhand they're quite pricey. And recently I saw this guy as well as Ahsoka coming out, so I think now I'm going to actually start collecting the ones that I want, because, you know, cheaper price and they look really nice. So we'll set these guys aside. If you haven't seen in a previous video, I recently got these guys at a thrift store for really cheap. So if you guys want to watch that review video, it's posted up on my channel. Anyways, so I saw this at Toy Traders while going to get my Snap Squad figures, and I was just blown away. I was always looking for a Captain Rex figure. I've always wanted one, and they're either rare or expensive. I don't know. I just, never got one. But I'm glad I waited, because this is phenomenal. This is really amazing. The details on this figure are really nice, and for 25 bucks, it was quite a score for me. I think they're releasing Ahsoka and Maul coming soon from that battle on Mandalore, so that was pretty neat that they're going to release them, so we can get that for cheap as well, because Ahsoka figures are pretty expensive. I don't know about Anakin or Obi-Wan. I'll find them in the scale, hopefully, because I was doing some digging and I saw a few on eBay and a few new ones as well. So yeah, hopefully I can complete my squad from the Clone Wars. Yikes, I'm hesitating to open this. It's really nice packaging. We got like a very detailed render on this side, Clone Wars up on top, other figures you can get. Yeah, lots of information. But no, we're gonna open it so I can do some nice photography with it. So here we go. Weasel my finger in there. Whoops. I can just glue that back. That's not that bad. It kind of ripped the photo. Yikes. Got a little information thing I'll put back in there. So there we go, we've got Rex out in this little plastic thing. Let's get the camera closer and let's see. I don't think there's anything holding him in, so we're just gonna push him out. And he went flying. Okay. So let's see how well he stands. Oh wow, he's got ankle articulation. That's really nice. Knee articulation. He's got all his little tallies on his legs. How's his hip articulation like? Just forward and back? Oh, you can make him sit, like, actually sit. Nice. Okay. We've got the shoulder articulation on the ball joint. I think there we go. You can turn these, and I think you can rotate his hands too. Yeah, you can rotate his wrists. Okay, that's pretty cool. His helmet does not come off. That's fine. He's got this thing too, that's good. The one in the back did not come with that. Rip. He's got all the tallies on this side too. I just love that detail. Look how small they are. And they're on there. Pretty good. Helmet too. That is really nice. Everything's well scaled. I enjoy the scale of everything. He's got some paint app on the back too, on the back of his plate. That is really nice. So let's grab his signature dual little blasters. Here's one. They're so tiny. Hopefully I don't lose them. Gotta keep track of them. And there's two. Let's get those in his hands. There we go. Oh, that looks so nice. that is a phenomenal figure. Like I said, I guess in the beginning, it's a fairly new figure. I'm not sure when it was released. I'm not really on top of Star Wars figures. Like, I just saw this and was like, yes, Captain Rex, finally. Add it to the collection for once. But no, I'm glad they released it. Like, this is a very popular character. They did a great job on it, and I can't wait to see more Clone Wars figures like this come out in the future, if they do plan on doing that. As, again, it's my favorite cartoon, my favorite show, yada yada. So, oh, it's also got torso articulation. I obviously rate this figure 10 out of 10. I love it. There's a lot of paint variation, like this black didn't go all the way up, or there's some white bleeding down. But besides that, everything else on these figures were pretty good and pretty solid. There wasn't any like overlap of color on these smaller parts here, which is nice. And it's pretty much in scale with Mattel figures, which is really great for photography, which I got him for. I'm gonna do some Jurassic crossover photos like a lot of people on Instagram are doing, and hopefully that turns out well. Here's him next to an older Captain Rex, which surprisingly I picked up the same day at a thrift store. What are the odds? But you can see there's, I guess, a lot more detail in it, maybe. Smaller head, that's for sure. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. A little different from the usual, but of course, got to review everything figure related on this channel. Yeah, no, it was very fun. I'll definitely do more Star Wars reviews like this when I get my hands on the Maul and Ahsoka figure that are coming out soon, I think. I saw them on Instagram. I don't think they're out yet, but they're going to be great to add to the collection. And if you guys know a good compatible Anakin or Obi-Wan figure that I can get that's currently on the market now, I'd love to know down in the comments below. Thank you guys for the help, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.